Business productivity and profitability. Responsible family planning. What's the connection? They work hand in hand. Consider the scenarios that invariably reduce the fall attendance of your workforce.
Ma'am, hindi ako makakapasok ngayon. Baka po ako maabutan na panganganak din sa office.
Sir, absent po ako ngayon. Manganganak na po si Mrs. anytime na po.
Ma'am, di ko po kayang pumasok ngayon. Hindi kasi ako pinatulog ni baby eh.
Sir, malilate po ako uli. Wala kasi maghahatid sa mga anak ko sa school.
We all know that production of goods and services contribute to the country's economic development and well-being of people. Business productivity essentially depends on the utilization of human resources, not only in large companies, but also in small, medium, and micro enterprises and in informal economies. As of October 2020, the total number of employed Filipinos was 39.84 million. More than half of them were in the services sector, such as manufacturing, construction, retail business, food services, among others. Full-time workers comprise 65.9% of the total employed persons. The recurring absences, tardiness, and inefficiency of workers lead to lower outputs for businesses. Many of these factors are caused by issues such as poor health conditions and family-related concerns. Those working in the informal economy are much more vulnerable because of their poor socio-economic conditions. But more importantly, studies have also shown that some major family-related or personal reasons, especially among those with lower wage rates, are unplanned pregnancies, attendance to the needs of too many young children, and other reproductive-related functions. This is the umbilical cord that connects business productivity to responsible family planning. In view of this, businesses need to invest on their reproductive health conditions to sustain and improve the productivity of their human resources. Workers should be able to access reproductive health services, specifically the essential family planning, to enable them to have their desired number, timing, and spacing of children. In a 2008 study conducted by the Employers Confederation of the Philippines, in partnership with the University of the Philippines economics professor Benjamin Jokno, it was established that better access to family planning services among personnel in their workplace helped employees prevent unplanned pregnancies and afforded them opportunities to efficiently and better manage their time and resources, focus more on their work, and produce quality outputs. With a majority of the workers practicing family planning, there were less people who availed of maternity and paternity leaves. This allowed the companies to garner savings in medical insurance and hiring of temporary employees. Employing responsible parenthood and family planning in the workplace pay off in numerous productive ways. For the workers, a smaller family size allows them a greater capacity to support the various needs of their families, even with limited incomes. Lesser stress in attending to the various needs of the family equals more productivity at work. Women workers can more likely recover their health fully from childbirth and can resume work immediately. A smaller number of properly spaced children further gives women in the informal economy greater opportunities to gainful work. Indeed, practicing reproductive rights delivers greater productivity and income for workers. And for employers, Having healthy employees makes good business sense.
Unfortunately, workers are constrained to access reproductive health and family planning services due to several reasons.
Walang pera para magkonsulta tungkol sa family planning.
Walang oras. Masyadong busy sa trabaho.
May company insurance naman kami, pero hindi ko alam ang benefits tungkol sa family planning.
Given the importance of enabling workers to exercise their reproductive rights, the Responsible Parenthood and Family Planning for Labor Force Empowerment Strategy was launched by the Commission on Population and Development, or POPCOM.
The RPFP for Life aims to enable workers from all sectors to access responsible parenthood and family planning information and services to ensure their overall well-being that is vital in optimizing their efficiency. Reproductive rights equals work productivity, company profitability. The RPFP for Life strategy partners with various companies, labor unions and associations, institutions and other individuals in setting up office policies, strategies and activities that enable workers to access RPFP information and services.
Specifically for large companies, RPFP for Life works with private institutions in generating and building the commitment from the employers in promoting RPFP in their companies through internal office or company policies.
Integrating RPFP services as part of the collective bargaining agreements or employees' benefits. Setting up of RPFP services in workplace clinics or health facilities, including training of service providers and provision of referral services. Or conducting RPFP sessions as part of the human resource development activities. All of these strategies are linked with the public health system or delivery networks to ensure the sustained provision of these services.
For small, medium, and micro enterprise, the overall strategy is to work with associations or clusters of SMEs and concerned local government units in the conduct of RPFP sessions, provision of direct or referral services for family planning through family planning caravans, and other strategies that allow workers to access family planning information and services.
For the workers in the informal economy, the program works with the national and local government units, civil society organizations, and private institutions in reaching out to this segment of the labor force through outreach programs and referral systems. Especially those who are already covered by the government programs such as the 4 Ps of the DSWD, agricultural support programs of the Department of Agriculture and Department of Agrarian Reform, and other relevant programs of national government agencies. Empowering our labor force to exercise their reproductive rights helps achieve their desired timing, number, and spacing of children within the demands of responsible parenthood. This is a crucial investment that benefits companies and the families of the workers. Greater productivity contributes to sustained economic development of the country and to genuine human development. The RPFP for Life requires the strong desire and commitment from both employers and employees to advance reproductive and family planning in the workplace.
It also needs the participation of local government units as the primary service provider linked with the health facilities of companies.
Finally, the collaboration of all stakeholders within the community ensures the full benefits of employing RPFP for life.
Invest in RPFP for life in the workplace. Expect better productivity, greater profitability.
Manggagawa at kumpanya, parehong panalo.